In order to get to the Manage Dashlets page, we can head to the left side of the screen, and then we can click on Dashboards. From here, under the Add Dashlets drop-down menu, we want to click on Manage Dashlets. On the Manage Dashlets page, administrators have the ability to manage dashlets that have installed in the system. Additional dashlets can be added to the system by clicking the Browse button and selecting the zip file that will contain the dashlet, and then clicking Upload and Install. Additional dashlets are available via the Nagios Exchange. If you would like a custom dashlet created, you can contact our sales team for pricing information. In addition, there is documentation available for walking you through on how to create your own Nagios XI dashlet.